We're out here drinking black coffee out of a red Solo cup. I'm about to put it back together. About to hook the starter back up and put the cross member back on and get her done.
Strapped her off. It's about ready to put some fluids in it and check her out. Got everything back together under here. Let's go get some fluids and see what happens, man.
The last few times I've bled the coolant, I've tied the reservoir up to the hood. I don't have the hood on it right now. So I brought over the engine crane to lift it up. For some reason it seems to really help a lot with the cooling system. Fire the ignition. Okay, you want to have some cooling up in this guy when you're leaving it. You don't want that guy to run dry. And I'll be ready over here on the bleeder to get the air out. Got me a nice V1 leader because the original one is a piece of plastic and it did slip out. Literally a plastic Phillips screw type of deal thing in my bobber. And it stripped out. So not that guy. It's made of aluminum or steel or some bullshit. Here we go. The moment of truth. We just replaced the freaking rod bearing with the motor in the car. No machine work, no none of that shit, no measuring. Just fucking sending it, replacing the bearing with a one size fits all race bearing from Octane Bearings. So we're about to see what the fuck happened. Because I forgot to do something, or if he's gonna play it up. I'm nervous as fuck. My lord, there it is. I just performed surgery on the VQ and it started up. Holy fuck. I'm a beast mode mechanic, that's right. Yeah, I said it. I feel like it right now, anyways. Fuck. Motor seems to sound good. Now we'll give it a couple minutes because before it took about 5 minutes of running before it started knocking pretty decent or whatever. But I'd say it sounds fucking good, to be honest with you. Big fan of revving it and shit with dial up the temperature, but I need to please see that we're not knocking. replace one and I didn't replace them all, so I don't know. We'll see here. Better warm up. Alright guys, so there we are. We're really down on power. It's still fully broken. It sounds pretty rough. I'll give you guys a show here in a second. I don't know if you just heard that. Yeah, we're fucking knocking. We are knocking pretty good here, guys. Back at El Chapo, 5-minute drive. I'm gonna stick you out here so you can hear better. I want to see if we get some flames though. So I mean, with a rod knock, let's see if we can get some fucking flames and shit. Let's see what we can get here. So we're setting you up here. And we see some flames. Let's get this one. Well, apparently, when you send it on a motor that has rod knock, this could happen. Now the motor's trying to start, but it won't turn over because it's fucking seized up. Something's fucking broken inside that's not allowing it to turn. Full send. Worked for about 5 minutes.